Maritime Development Fund, and the balance will be mobilized from ports and from private sector. And operationalize 619 routes. These will be in addition to the expansion of the capacity to meet the future needs of the state.
The Union Budget 2025 has been announced. Even if it comes with several indirect benefits to the trucking industry, it also comes with several drawbacks to the truck owners. Let's look at that in detail. First, extension of Gati Shakti portal to the private players. This is a positive move to allowing private players to access the Gati Shakti portal. The government aims to integrate road, rail, waterways efficiently. This means faster goods movement, better route planning, and also reduced in transportation cost. Second, boost to inland waterways. A new tax scheme of inland vessels make water transport more affordable. While this may reduce the long-haul trucking, this will increase the demand of last-mile delivery. At the end of the day, goods need to reach their final destination. Investment in port and shipbuilding infrastructure. The budget focuses on modernizing ports and shipbuilding infrastructure. This will speed up cargo handling, reducing truck wait time, and improve roads around port, allowing smoother truck movement. Fourth, trunk infrastructure for shipbuilding clusters. Improve roads and logistic supports in shipbuilding areas will help truckers move easily, but only in certain areas. Now let's talk about the major problem that budget totally ignored. No direct support for trucking industry. While ports and waterways are getting huge investment, roads and highways and trucking industries have been overlooked. There are no new subsidies, schemes or tax reliefs for truck owners or logistics businesses. Second, increased competition from multimodal transport. More investment in rail and waterways means some will shift away from truck, reducing freight rate and affecting long-haul trucking. Third, lack of focus on road infrastructure expansion. There is no new highways or express project directly benefiting trucking route. Poor road conditions and congestion continues to increase fuel consumptions and delivery time. Fourth, tax burden and compliance costs. Taxation remains complex with no relief on GST compliance or financial support for small fleet owners. Look at the image to understand better with how Union Budget 2025 affects the trucking industry. The Union Budget 2025 focuses on ports, waterway, but the trucking industry have been completely ignored. With rising operational costs, no direct financial relief, and increasing competition in multimodal transport, truckers are left struggling. So the big question is, how will truck owners survive in this changing logistics environment? Will they adapt, compete, or be pushed out? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section.